Take it easy. Make your life easy. Romans 14 and verse 22. Have you faith? Have it to yourself before God. Happy is happy is he that condemns not himself in that thing which he allows. You quit going around beating yourself up all the time. Ecclesiastes 12 and verse 13. Let's hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. For God shall bring every work into judgment, and every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil. Keep the commandments and be a good person. How hard is this? How hard is this? Keep the commandments. Be a good person. Jesus said, come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you. Learn from me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and you shall find rest for your soul, for my yoke is easy and my burden is light. And if you, listen to me closely, if you feel like God has placed a heavy yoke and burden on you, the answer is very simple. Don't go around putting a heavy yoke and burden on others. Take it easy. Make it easy. Make your life easy and make others easy. I'm David Freeman with Is That Really in the Bible?
There are over 450,000 churches in America. Yet America continues its downward spiral towards immorality and corruption. The problem is, people have substituted a personal relationship with God for church and religion. The paradox is this: a personal relationship with God must first begin in the absence of church and religion. Order your free audio CD entitled How to Begin a Relationship with God Without Church and Religion. To order the complete 6-CD series on how to begin a relationship with God without church and religion, order by writing to Church of God, Rocky Mount, 27 Brookledge Lane, Rocky Mount, Virginia, 24151. That's Church of God, Rocky Mount, 27 Brookledge Lane, Rocky Mount, Virginia, 24151. Also, visit us on the web at isthatreallyinthebible.net.